Hello everyone and welcome to this week's workshop series where we'll be discussing tips for pivoting your career. Whether you're getting back into the workforce or changing your career entirely, here are some tips to help you with your job search. First, start with the basics of the job search process. While you're likely not an entry-level employee and have gone through the job search process before, it will be beneficial to become familiar with the application process and researching facts about the industry you're looking to get into. Next, focus on your resume. Make sure it reflects your transferable skills and update it with all your relevant work experience. It is crucial to be open-minded and flexible during this process, as it can be challenging to find your dream job straight away. You will want to enhance your skills by taking classes, attending conferences, and applying for certifications within your field. If you have been out of work for more than a few months, taking online courses will help refresh your knowledge and prepare you for an interview. Also, do your homework. Research industries and trends, alternate job titles, and companies you would like to be part of. Lastly, work with a staffing agency. Not only will we help you to connect with a job, but interviewing with us is a good way to refresh your interview skills and get some practice answering common interview questions. We will provide you with tips, feedback, and a dedicated career coach to help you throughout your search. We hope these tips were helpful. If you're looking for work, please visit our website, citypersonnel.net, and stay informed by following our social media pages.